Why having low memory changed my life? I remember back in days when I was a child, I would have a really hard time learning about tables and remembering characters and Roman numbers, whatever, like math and everything, the formulas and everything. I had really tough time. And to counter that, I will try to do this addition and subtraction to learn about tables, and then later division or whatever, right, to learn formulas. Formulas will be hard to learn, so I have to visualize things. I have to go deep where it actually used in the real life application. I have to like attach it to some kind of story in my head so that I could remember those formula or something like this. And I could see on the other side there were kids in my school, or in my neighborhood or in my family, my cousin, brother, and everything. They were really good with memory, so they can memorize a lot of things, and they will always get praised by my parents or even teachers and everything. So they were always quick to tell any table if any parents ask anything, like, right, any vocabulary stuff or something like this. And for me it was really hard. Because of that, I really had a slow start. And one of the benefit I got from this misfortune was that I started looking and discovering more than normal people. I wanted a way to understand me, so I'll go in the history, how the numbers developed and kind of thing. I will always not rely on the textbook. I will try to see other stuff where there could be might be better explanation, so that I don't have to memorize a lot, because I cannot even if I try. Because of that, I had so much exploration, normal than the other people. That gave me a edge of understanding. And and even though the people who have a lot of memory, they did quite of good in their life, and because of that maybe they become arrogant or something like this. That never happened with me. I was always the underdog, trying to catch my pace. That kept me humble, kept me exploring, let me derive things. Because of that, I should derive a lot of formulas on the spot because I could not remember it. So that gave me a different understanding, and also helped me to explore other areas other than the textbook, YouTube, a lot of other materials from MIT open course, where I remember that it went open source and I could get a lot of MIT videos. So that really helped me. And whereas the people who had good memory, they passed on these classes in flying colors and really did good. But as you know, human brain has a limit, right? In future, there will be so much big formulas and everything. They can't even remember it. So they had to come back to my formulas, right? At some point, they will have to come. And for them, it might be a new thing. But for me, I was doing from my childhood. So it became very natural to me. When the hardship and the higher engineering stuff came, they couldn't handle it, but they gradually passed 11, 12, something like this. But later on, because I was practicing this kind of stuff from a very long age, for me it was doesn't that hard. When you have low memory, you find the other smart ways to counter that, and that really develops your intelligence. So I hope this misfortune helped me a lot. And if you are something like me, do let me know stories how this helped you in your life.